Good afternoon, and here we are at the University of Texas at Austin, in Austin, Texas. Looks like there's some construction going on. Let's take a walk. As I was talking about the construction, they're beating on stuff over here, and you can see right there in the distance, downtown Austin. It's Longhorns football national champions, 1963, 1969, 1970, and 2005. It's a Sunday afternoon right now, so the campus isn't that busy, but it's a great time to explore. This is the University of Texas Stadium, where the Longhorns play football team. Big rivals of the Texas A&M Aggie football team. I've been to one of their games, but I haven't been to a game here. I'd like to at some point, though. And this is a pretty big campus, even though it's situated just north of the state capitol, just north of downtown Austin. So literally you can walk to downtown Austin from here. Pretty amazing location, which also helps out with the college students, and they're not drinking and driving. A lot of times they'll walk or maybe take an Uber to the 6th Street nightclub district and all the bars down there, which I just did a video of last night. But please feel free to check out that video as well. If you've seen that video, please let me know down in the comments below what you thought of it. This is the main street through the campus. This is San Jacinto. We're going to be going up here to the top of the campus. The Metro bus comes through here, the Austin Metro bus, and there is the Harbin Alumni Center over there on the left. It says Texas Exes. That's paying homage to the song, All My Exes Live in Texas. Here's the team shop. I just finished a video of the Texas State Capitol grounds and Capitol building interior in depth, so take a look at that if you like as well. If it's not posted yet, it should be pretty soon here. I'll look up DeLoss Dodds Way, Bass Concert Hall. Here's the Visual Arts Center, Department of Art and Art History, College of Fine Arts. Most public universities are self-contained, and the tuition and fees and endowments go towards maintaining it. That's a pretty big physical plant. And a lot of the buildings are up stairways because this is hill country. Mustangs. If you like to read all of this, you're more than welcome to do so by stopping the video. And this is the Texas Science and Natural History Museum right up there. And over here, the University of Texas at Austin Cockrell School of Engineering. But it looks like a major revamping of the campus. And here's the campus information and police help box. And this is the campus map here. You are here, San Jacinto Blvd. So it looks like we'll be going up to E Dean Keeton St, and we'll take a left there. But it's a big campus, as you can see. Some of the beautiful old architecture of these University of Texas buildings with the clay tile roofs. Creekside Residence Hall. I'm guessing that's one of the older residence halls here on campus. Yeah, this is some major construction going on here, it looks like, all the way down the main street. And this is sort of the edge of campus. To the right, it actually ends, but the left is getting more into the heart of the campus. So it's a kind of an oddly shaped campus. But it's in a major city, so that's to be expected. See, the street signs have the Longhorn head on them. Campus North, main tower and student services building. Here is PMA, Physics, Math, and Astronomy building. Campus South, student services building. We'll take a look at this map again right here. Over here is the Molecular Biology building and the Neural Molecular Science building, and the College of Pharmacy is kind of buried in there. We're going to be going up to Whitis and taking a left and heading to the main building, also passing the Student Union building. look up Wichita. There's the Student Services building across the street there. Hey, there's a Waymo. But the funny thing is it has a steering wheel. What's the steering wheel for? If you know, please let me know down in the comments below. And here is the main building, which looks like it's also under construction, but we're going to go down to Whitis and go up that way. And then it circles back to the main building. And is this Whitis? It is. Jesse H. Jones Communication Center. You can see the top of the main building over here. Let's go over here for a second and take a better look at this building. This is definitely an old building. Look at the roof on this thing. Very old. This is the Littlefield home. Take graduation photos here. That is a nice vantage point of it for sure. Let's see how it looks with me. I see it. It looks good. And here's the main entrance to the University of Texas, the guard shack. Let's see where we are on this map here. Looks like we're right next to the main building. And here's another invader, another squirrel. Our tower, the next 100 years. I'll go around here and get a better view of the tower. Interfecti, August 1st, 1966. I'm definitely going to do some research on this and find out what happened on that date. There's the Mary E. Gearing Hall. It's probably administrative offices. And I'm just going to walk in the middle of the street since it is Sunday after all and get a better view of the tower. It actually has lighting all the way to the top. But I can see one thing that is going on. If you look here at the top, you'll see it's rusting. And maybe that's what they're doing is like refacing and repairing the rust damage. It's a very nice little park here. The Flawn Center. Not sure what the Flawn Center is, but it looks like the Union building is right next to it, so let's take a walk over there. The UT Tower is a symbol of the spirit, excellence, and community found only at the University of Texas at Austin. We invite all Longhorns to join our once-in-a-lifetime venture to restore, revitalize, and reimagine our beloved landmark. And if you would like to scan here, you can learn more as well. So this is Texas entrepreneurship. There's a better view of that building over here. It's very, very large. The Texas Union. And it looks like this is a wraparound patio. It's almost like it's one of the libraries. There's a nice seating area out here. Classrooms, Capitol Metro. There are many things I do not know about the University of Texas, and that's why I'm out here exploring. If you see something you wish to make a comment on, please do so. I welcome comments, and I will respond if there are any questions as well. Very nice building. Here's a statue also. Oh, the passing of the torch. That's what it is. Our tower, the next 100 years. Another view of it. A campaign to restore, revitalize, and reimagine our beloved icon. Looks like a guy with a flag. Not sure what type of flag. Just a walk to the edge of campus here. Here's the West Mall office building. And this is the orientation area. Very interesting architecture. It says the core purpose is to transform lives for the benefit of society. Garrison Hall. Harlan Hall, English, Rhetoric, and Writing. This might be the main walking entrance to the university. That is it. You can see downtown Austin with the Capitol in the foreground, or the midground, I should say. More invaders. Benedict Hall. And I think I was right here. This is probably the main face of the university. There's Rainey Hall. So he must have been important. We saw his picture in the state capitol in the previous video I did about it. And it looks like there is Austin Market. More stuff under construction though, on a larger scale. Let's see, residences, food, hall, markets. It looks like this place is pretty self-contained. Looks like there's a Target there as well, 21. It's almost like a student wouldn't need a car here at all. And here is going to be that money shot. Littlefield Foundation, take graduation photos here. If I can get that low with my gimbal. And there it is. If you want to save that photo, that's a beautiful picture right there. I think I'll take a selfie as well, if you don't mind. Okay, that's enough. But here is that shot I was talking about as well. Look at that. I'm going to do a zoom on that. You see the Texas Capitol, and then you also see that very interesting building in downtown Austin. I think it's the largest building, not the tallest, but the largest. Okay, back to reality. Here's the University Christian Church. We already came up that way. And this is another academic building, most likely. We'll look up at the buildings on the side here. It's those pesky e-scooters. I should come back at some point and make an e-scooter video in downtown Austin. Here's Mezes Hall, 1950 Board of Regents. It houses the Government, Liberal Arts, and Instructional Technology Services departments. Bats Hall, another government department. There's the U.S. flag and another beautiful view of the main hall tower. There should be some more academic buildings. That's a beautiful shot there. And you will always see here in Austin a recycle bin and a landfill trash bin. Not very common for Texas. The motto is keep Austin weird, and it is definitely weird compared to the rest of Texas. It kind of has its own ideals. Another look up at the tower, and I'll stop looking at the tower, but it's just so beautiful. And I'm sure it's much more beautiful once the construction is completed. I haven't seen a main quad yet. I got this now. It says Up and Atom, ATOM. Coffee, tea, pastries, grab and go. So chemistry, physics joke. This looks like more of a main part of the campus here. Nice canopy of trees as well. What starts here changes the world. Wagoner Hall. Look down that pathway. A very, very urban campus. Red McCombs School of Business. Of course, we'll never be able to get to every single building. Follow UT Austin. That's the Gregory Gymnasium. Very nice looking building. Speedway Mall and East Mall, 2015. CBA South, College of Business Administration, George Kosmetsky Center for Business Education. Here's a UT Austin Police Department. Here's the library. I'm assuming a university of this caliber would have a library system, not just one library. And there's another view of the Macomb School of Business. Perry Castaneda Library. It says University of Texas Libraries, so I was correct there. Learning Commons, University Writing Center. Looks like we'll be passing another University police car here. There's the Buford H. Jester Center. And also Buford H. Jester was the governor. Maybe back in the early 1900s. I showed a picture of him and his term dates in my video about the Texas State Capitol. University of Texas at Austin Police. Rox, Duke, and Dene Covert Admissions Welcome Center. And sorry again, the wind is picking up quite a bit. There's another side to the campus, but it's mainly residential from what I could tell. The Blanton Museum of Art. Oh, this looks really interesting. I'm guessing that probably lights up at night. And I see a money shot coming up. Here's the gallery building on the left. And some kind of crazy looking sculpture here in front of the museum. There's the Moody patio. It says Blanton Check-In. So I'm guessing this is the Museum of Arts here at the edge of the university. I'm just going to walk over to this Capitol Mall sign. That is a really nice shot. And it's got buildings from downtown Austin in the background. So I'll go ahead and cross this street and turn around and take one look at the buildings surrounding the university. Here's the Texas State History Museum. And isn't that just a beautiful shot there? Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, more walking videos, and I'm going to be adding some biking and possibly scooter videos, we'll see, and some driving videos down the way. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.